Well, I was going to do a retirement speech for John, but it seems like John's too impatient and went to the beach already. But John Scioscia is retiring. Just want to say a couple good words about the guy. You know, he's obviously been doing it for a long time. Incredible sales guy. And you know, he'll come back around every now and again. I'll come get him on here to do some motivational things, but he is retiring from the industry, living in in Tampa, and going to be camping and playing music. And you know, just wanted to say thank you for all the years of work for the Salon Center. And he's not here, so you guys get to listen to it. Okay, so we did the speech, John. No, we just want to say thank you for all the years of working with the Salon Center, your motivation and your positivity and your sales expertise over the years has helped me, amongst other reps in Florida and across the company. Your passion for the industry is you know, second to none. You know, you made a really big foothold down in Florida and a name for everybody to know. You know, obviously with us and many years with other your company, different companies. You're a legend in the industry, like many of our reps are and will be when they retire. So just want to say thanks, John, and it's not goodbye, it's see you later. There it is.
My final farewells are it's been a privilege to work with all of you guys, and I wish I had a chance to have met all of you, not just the little Florida team, all the people from Alabama and everywhere else. So if I missed anything, it would have been those relationships I could have built with you guys because I learned from each of you little things, not just selling things, but just general things about life. So I'm going to miss everybody the most. My clients, I really can't say I'm going to miss them too much. You know, they didn't.
Oh yeah.
We tend to think we're a lot closer to them than we are because we pour our heart and souls into them. We like to think we share our lives with them, and we like to think we let them unload on us, and we're their listening board. And you know, I was kind of there's a handful that I got that from. You know, a couple of welling up a couple of tears. But the majority of them, you know, it's business. And, you know, I had to kind of talk myself into the fact that I was reminded that, you know, business is business. And I had a partner that used to always say, when I had a distributorship, he said, I didn't like the way he said it, but he said, John, your customers aren't your friends. And I
Okay.
kind of like, you know, they sure feel like friends. They feel like family. And he goes, well, that's great, but they're not. You see them
Mhm.
every 3 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever it may be, 2 weeks. It's business. So go out there and build their business. Take pride in that. And I said, you know, that was a lesson for me. But Jake's a great boss. Pete, of course, he's the guy who brought me on board. And yeah, it's been a great 14 years. So the money's there, but it's you guys, it's the people that buy. So um, yeah, it's all about you guys. So I wish I could have met more of you. Maybe down the road I will. Maybe he'll get me up there to Alabama. I could do one of my seminars, pep talks. I would love that. So I only charge $2,500 an hour. So I mean, 2 hours, what's that? 5 grand? That's chump change for guys like you. So, and I bring Dennis up. That's an extra 2,500. So that's always there for you. But anyway, great meeting all of you guys. I wish you all the best. Stay safe. Wear your seatbelts. I ain't far away. I'm in Tampa.
All right,
Peace,
John.
love. Love all you guys. I miss
Enjoy.
everybody.
Thanks, John.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thanks, brother. I got a wonderful wife too.